Hey guys, this video has been a whirlwind. I started it actually this weekend trying to film like a day in my life, which, surprise, surprise, my life is a bit chaotic. So, got a little bit here, a little bit there, some product creation. It kind of was going to be like a work with me. So it's kind of like, hey, here's some chaos. This is what happens when I try to record around here and get stuff done. It's a little of our crazy flavor. There is a portion where I walk through, hey, I need a product. I need to get it up in my Etsy shop. I try to post every Monday a new product. And guess what? I don't have one. So I walk you through a little bit how we can accomplish that. I didn't end up getting to show the whole thing, so it's gonna be, hey, future me, what we're on Tuesday now, I think. Future me, showing you how I finished that up. But yeah, stick around, see some of the chaos, and get some work done. Think of this as like co-working, get your stuff done, play it in the background. If your life is chaotic, we can be best buds. All right. Hey friends, this is a little bit of a Sunday reset, what's going on, how I'm trying to live life today. Just a peek behind the scenes. Right now I'm actually just using my old Google Pixel 6 question mark to film, because not all these girlies have an iPhone. I've actually never had one. Some things I just grabbed to maybe get started on today. Finally, new books. Still haven't had a chance to peek in here. I made a couple of videos before I looked into this one. I've not had a chance to peek at it yet, but I have goals. And then I might make another video seeing how the videos I did for art style, how they line up. And I was just influenced to go ahead and get this fun book. It's all about lighting in color, and I was able to grab it on an Amazon sale. I'm wanting to get part 1 of his book as well. That's a completely separate book. I don't know what I'm talking about. But I'm waiting on part 1 for another sale on Amazon. Want to get some filming done on the iPad. And then we actually need to make our to-do list. I usually try to do a little bit of a reset on Sunday. I worked at the hospital yesterday, which is when I normally have a little bit of filming time. My husband takes our toddler and they get out of the house and do a little bit so I can film. Well, they got out of the house yesterday as usual, but I was at work. So not sure how today's gonna go. We're gonna just do our best to get some stuff done. Maybe get our week lined out and get a little bit of content filmed while they're outside playing with the new bubble toy before my toddler gets back in and starts banging on the door. So if you have work to do, go ahead and consider this co-working and grab some stuff, get your week planned, you know, get your work on, and we can just hang out together. So right now, I am working on some artwork for it's basically a continuation of the trends video I posted a couple of weeks ago. I will make sure to link that with this content. It's basically all about trend hunting and kind of how I do it. You can do it however you want. This is just how I'm currently doing it. And I went ahead and made a board with my ideas. I'll make sure and put that footage in the video as well. And this is just a continuation of that board, how I'm taking those trends that I found and turning them into actual artwork that will eventually become products. So yeah, that's just what this is a little bit of me doing. I actually already made one design from that, but I didn't feel like it really captured the ideas I got from it. So I'm like, I guess that means we're making two different things. So I'm just gonna spend some time getting these ideas out on paper and turning it into most likely a set of clip art and getting it up in the shop once I have several pieces done and looking good. So the family has already made it back to the house, so I'm going to switch over to try to get some video planning done and plan out my content for the next couple of videos, see what I can come up with. I've just been working on a few of the clip art pieces. Unfortunately, it ended up raining all day yesterday, so my progress was halted and there was 0 recording. Drawing's going a lot slower than I would like this morning, so sometimes you just have to reset your expectations. It is Monday morning, which means I should have a product ready to list in my Etsy store. I have no idea what I am going to be listing yet today, what I can get ready by the end of the day. I like to try and just set a goal for myself to do a product every Monday. Ideally, I'll get to where I can list more than one a week. But with all of the other commitments I have as well, I've been managing the one a week. Obviously, Etsy would like it a lot more if I could do more, but that's what I can do right now. And that's okay. Sometimes we're in different seasons of life and we have to accept that. Right now, I'm in a very much learning and growing season still. Seems like this season is forever, but I try to equate it to like, hey, how long is college? How long is this or that? It's early in the morning here and I am trying to work as quickly as possible before the little one wakes up. So my brain's kind of in hurry up, go, go. At 1, 2, 3, 4. My goal was to get 5 of them done this morning. So take it. I'm just duplicating so that I can keep moving forward. Yeah, it's time for us to stop, take a break, move around, not be at our desk forever, and I'll update you later today. Oh, actually, real quick before I go, since I didn't get to film anymore yesterday, what I did end up getting done is I got the rest of my YouTubes and my shorts scheduled for this week. I'm trying so hard to get some of them uploaded ahead of time so I can get my content ready to go for the week so I'm not behind. So those were scheduled, and then I was able to get some of my social media content scheduled, not all of it, and then I drafted my emails for this week as well. So all in all, I got quite a lot done in a short amount of time. I say short amount of time, it was actually a couple hours after my toddler went to bed, but sometimes once the day's quiet, even though you don't have as much time, you get more done because you get to use your whole brain instead of having it pulled in hundreds of different directions. Okay, I'll see you again later. Just a slow morning over here. Well, that's not super true. I've been up for a couple of hours, already recorded a little bit. The little one just got up. He's eating some breakfast, and I'm gonna try to make sure I'm organized, take a peek at my to-do list, update it, and yeah, that's what we're doing right now. What the? We just lost power. So I've been being quiet because my little guy was in there still trying to go to sleep. And unfortunately my office is right next to his room. And I'm a bit loud. So I believe where we left off is I was trying to figure out what product I was going to make today. And I didn't have a new product in the works. So something you can do when you run into this, because you will inevitably run into way more stuff to do than time available, is look through the artwork you already have and the products that you already sell well and see what you can put together. So I was wanting to start working on some new products for my shop that I haven't put in the shop yet, but today it's running on limited time. And the more I dug into the product, which I already have a couple of products done, but I don't have any of the mock-ups done, any of the delivery information, any of the licensing information. I don't have any of that done. So it wasn't going to be very practical for me to try to get all of that done today, because all of those things take extra time. So instead, what I looked at is what sells best in my shop, which is doodle pads and Procreate brushes at the time of filming this video. So I decided to make a doodle pad today because that would be the fastest. Then, well, creating a brush might be about the same, but then I have to create the brush, create the textures. It was going to take a lot more thought. What I decided to do instead was go through the artwork I already have and see what I can create with that. So that's where we're at now. It took a while to locate the artwork. So try to try to do your best to, I forgot I had already drawn that flower and I was all confused. Try to do your best to save your files and images as descriptively as you can, because it took me way longer than I would like to admit to hunt down these elements. I think I finally got done getting the product up. It was somewhere during the evening last night, and I did end up getting all of my video content and everything scheduled Sunday evening. So this week the goal is to get ahead on YouTube filming and have it ready to go for next week. It just makes my life a little easier if I can get a little bit ahead, so that I am not scrambling the day of trying to figure out, hey, what should I do next? So yeah, let me know if you guys liked this content, or if it's just too much of a hot mess express over here, and hey, maybe that just makes you happy about your own life. Or let me know what you'd like to see more of on this channel. I am trying to slow down and try a little bit more to see what my audience is really looking for, what they're actually wanting to say. So make sure and let me know down in the comments. I'm trying to, show you guys what you're also interested in and what you guys actually like. So I'm just not making a bunch of blech. You know what I mean? All right, guys, have a great day. If you haven't yet, make sure and subscribe. It's free. Hit that like button. If you like me, if you don't like me, if you think I'm silly, you can just do it. Hit that like button. Make sure and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.